Hi everyone and welcome back to yet another #AG birthday week video. If you're new here, my name is Anjali Uppal Grover. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon next to it so you get notified about my videos. And also a gentle reminder, there's a giveaway running on my channel from 13th July to 20th July 11:59 p.m. I'll be announcing the winners on my Instagram story on 22nd July. For more details, you can go down in my description box and check out about the giveaway rules. And if you want to know what you will be getting, you can go back and check 3 of my videos, and also you can go on my Instagram and I'll post a picture over here that this is what you're getting. I even posted a picture on Instagram so you can let your friends know by tagging them on Instagram and let them know that they have to comment down here on all of my YouTube videos, which are the birthday week videos. So I am back with yet another Instagram page or store recommendation. This time the pages that I'm gonna recommend are a bit on an expensive side. These are like luxury products. When I say luxury, it means in the department of jewelry. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So these pages are the ones that I have recently discovered or I've shopped from in the past, like in these past months, and I've come across them on Explore or through friends or through someone's Instagram story, hence the reason I'm recommending it. If you are looking something similar that I'll be showing you in this video, definitely go and check these pages out. The first page that I'm going to recommend is Laglets by Chavi. This is a clothing page. So let's get done with the clothing page first because there's only one clothing page today. So I came across this page through someone's Instagram story last year during Karwa Chauth. Since I was looking for a good suit for my mother-in-law, they have a good variety of stitched suits and maxi dresses and dresses. I would generally recommend a page for suits though because her designs are amazing and she comes up with new collection every week. Her suit prices vary since there are different kind of patterns and designs to choose from. There are suits which are very on the heavier sides and there are suits that you can wear on your daily basis. So they are different price wise. Also, since they are pre-stitched suits, it's very easier to order if you have any last minute plans to either gift someone or you have a function to attend. But do keep in mind, if you're ordering something from this page, you have to order like 15 days before if you have something planned ahead. So it takes about 15 to 20 days for it to get delivered to you. It also has a good collection of trendy dresses and maxi dresses. The one I'm actually wearing is also from her page. I ordered this balloon sleeved frill dress from her page. It costed me around 1,690. I wore this to a trip to Goa 2 months back and this is such a comfy dress. I think recently she has started chikankari suits as well on her page. I really love the ones that are there in lavender and lilac. Has a good collection of suits as well, wherein you get a 3-piece set of dupatta, kurta or sharara or a plazo. So you can go and check her page out. She also has her studio in Delhi. So if you are a Delhiite coming to my video, you can go and check it out. I don't know where is it. I'll probably put her address down in the description box below, so you can go walk in and check out. I don't know if it is allowed right now, but if it is, then you can go and check it out. So the next page on my list is Myra by Riya Potra. I already showed you this in my vlog last time, but I had to add this to my list. I came across this page through Natasha Patel's stories. She posted about them and I really loved the huggies that she was wearing. It had her initials and the one with Thunder Charm and then the evil eye necklace. The first thing that I actually bought from their site was this evil eye necklace. I'll post a video over here, but just to be sure, it was my first purchase. I wanted to just go with one thing just to see that how it's gonna turn out. So I ordered this Evil Eye necklace from their page. Since I was paying a little higher price, I wanted to be sure that it's gonna last a longer time, and I asked them tons of questions on Instagram how long it's gonna last me, since the one that you actually get this at a cheaper price as well, but those end up going in the garbage after like 2-3 wears only. So I didn't want it to have something that's not gonna last me a longer time, and also I wanted to know the material which is being used to make this necklace. And yeah, she told me it's made out of brass, and if it is not coming in contact with perfume or water, it's gonna last a longer time, and you have to store it separately in a dry place. These are handmade by her karigars in Rajasthan, so you can go and check out her site to know more details about it. Have this with me over 3 months now, and you can see it's still in a very good condition. Once I really liked the quality of this necklace, I decided to go with the earrings that I saw on her site, and I'll show you what those are exactly. These are the huggies that I was talking about. These are the Evil Eye huggies. So I got this for my second piercing. I showed you, I think I spoke about this in my last vlog, but these were the huggies, and the other one is this. I think I'll post a video again over here. Are these chained huggies again. Quite impressed with her collection. She even has those initial necklaces, and if you want your name, you'll get the full necklace with your name on it. And I think I've been recommending her page to everyone since I really love shopping from there. I think that it's something that you would really like to purchase, then go and check their site out. Okay, so the next page is a makeup page. It's Makeup and You on Instagram. So I shop all of my high-end makeup from her. Since I was looking for a good high-end brand makeups, all the international makeups, and I think Sephora and Nykaa have a very limited international brands on their website. So my last resort was to look for a page that sells all authentic and genuine international makeup. They have all authentic products on their page, and they sell it at the same price as the product. They just charge you a bit extra for shipping. Makeup that you see on my channel, the high-end ones, which are like the international ones which you don't find in India, are being shopped from that page only. I've been shopping from a page since last year. So this is the one that I ordered last year. This is the Tati Beauty one, and I also have one more. And I very recently ordered Fenty Beauty glosses from her page as well. So she has all brands like Fenty, Rare Beauty, then Tati Beauty, a James Charles palette, you name it and she has it. So Morphe, yeah, she has Morphe. I think she has that stock every now and then, so you can go and check her page out. I'll be posting a video here as well, so you can have an idea what kind of brands she has on her page. I know that it is very scary to spend a lot of money on such brands, especially from an Instagram page, without physically checking the product. I know it was very scary for me as well at first, but that's if you just want to experiment, if you just want to try out something, order something that's not that expensive for the first time, and then you see if you feel if it's authentic, if you've got that trust in the page, then do go ahead with it. I always recommend that to people because with me, I feel this is a genuine page. They also have a studio in Delhi. Please order on their Instagram page or on WhatsApp. So COD is only available in Delhi. The next page is called White Ivy. I came across this page on Instagram on my Explore since I was looking for a ring that, you know, the initial rings which have been trending a lot right now. Yes, I was looking for those, and that's how I ended up getting on this page. I wanted to get a customized ring, and I wanted something that would last me a longer time and would look attractive as well. Hence, I reached out to them on Instagram, and I really liked the collection, like the initial ring collection, which is this. Wait, if it's focusing or not, yeah. This is the ring. It has my initial in it, and it's 18 karat gold plated with Swarovski stones on it. They can even customize as per your choice, like the ones that you want. You can just send them a picture and they will do it for you. They recently came out with charms now, which I'm really looking forward to trying out. The person who was interacting with me on their Instagram DM made sure that my product was delivered on time, and she made sure that I was happy with my purchase. For a matter of fact, Zara had the same ring at the same price as well, but it was like a plain gold plated ring with your initial on it, which I didn't like quite much because I was getting something which is a little fancy at the same price, and here you get to even customize your own ring. You can tell them what you want. It came inside this box, which makes it look very luxurious. So if you're looking for a luxury customized jewelry, then do check them out. The last page on my list is the Little JB. It's called the Little Jewel Box. I got this Cartier inspired bracelet from their page. I have an amazing jewelry collection from rings to bracelets. It's been over 6 to 7 months since I purchased this Cartier bracelet, and you can see it's in still a very good condition. I wanted this before a function that was happening last year, and they made sure that it was delivered on time. It came inside this black box. It had a gold pouch inside it, inside which this bracelet was. I also believe they have this Cartier ring bands with them. On their website, this is not from their page though, but yeah, they have those as well. And I saw they even have a set as well where you get a band, you get a Cartier bracelet and a separate bracelet with stones on it. Those are available as well on their site. I recently just went onto their site to check whether these are still in stock or not. The OG Cartier is beyond my reach as of now. One day for sure, but as of now it's not. So if you're someone who wouldn't mind spending 1,500 on a Cartier bracelet, which is almost identical to the one that is the original one, so yeah, you can go and check their page out. They also have other sort of jewelries like fancy rings and bracelets, so you can even go and check those out if you're looking to shop any kind of fancy jewelries. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below what page did you really like and what are you really looking forward to shop from. And also there's a giveaway on my channel. If you haven't participated yet, please do, and go in the description box to check all the details for it. I will see you in my video tomorrow. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, bye.